Hola, dear colleagues. I'd like to welcome you to the 30th anniversary of the Endo model here in Spain. The Endo model was designed and developed by my former colleagues, Dr. Engelbrecht and Dr. Nieder, already 40 years ago, and was introduced in 1979. 10 years later, it came to Spain, and this was really a very, very successful story. Because today, Spain is the country with the second most endomodel implantations worldwide. So it's really a long story since 30 years now, and every year it's going to be a success. So we celebrated the 30th anniversary here in Madrid during the last 2 days with a lot of really, really good talks about knee arthroplasty, especially about difficult knee arthroplasty in primaries and revisions as well. Especially the primaries with complex deformities, for example, are one of the main issues that we discussed here. All the talks were on a very, very high standard, high quality, and I'm really glad that I was invited to the meeting and I could follow all these talks. One of the highlights, for example, was the infection session, where we discussed all parts of around the field of periprosthetic joint infections. So we talked about diagnostics, we talked about 1 stage, we talked about 2 stage, we talked about megaprosthesis as a solution in case of periprosthetic joint infections. And every speaker came to the conclusion that the Endo model, or the expansion of the Endo model, the Mega C system, is a fantastic solution in those very, very difficult and sometimes hopeless cases. So we finished right now this meeting, which was, in my opinion, an extremely successful meeting, and I'm looking forward for the next anniversary in 10 years when we are celebrating the 40th anniversary of the Endo model here in Spain. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.